Hey everyone, it's Norm here from International Motor Cars, and today I wanted to do a very quick video walk around for you on this Tesla Model X P90D. Now this vehicle, literally within a couple hours of coming in, already is sold, so I'm not going to do as intense of a walk around. I just thought I'd do a quick video just because this thing's so cool. I left the, what do they call these, Falcon doors up, so you guys can see the full extent of just how cool this Model X is. Oh, and of course, yeah, easy entry doors, so you just walk up, and well, it did present itself. So this car, cool thing about this Model X is this is a P90D, not just a 90D. So it does have the dual performance motors, and of course, one of the big things setting the P apart visually is the red brake calipers, which contrast beautifully on this all black car with the black 22s. Now this particular one is a 6-passenger model with full autopilot, cold weather package, so all 6 seats are heated, smart air suspension, so it raises and lowers, and also on the P, these spoilers are actually adjustable, automatically adjustable. You can't manually put it up and down, but I believe when you lock the car, it retracts. We'll give that a go. We'll see. Maybe we got the keys on us. Let's see. Let's see. Is that spoiler going to go down? Oh, there it is. Spoiler goes down, and it does automatically adjust based on your acceleration as well. So these Teslas, they're in super high demand. They're super awesome cars. We did do some videos with our last Model X that we had a month or so ago. That vehicle also sold pretty well instantly. So we're always on the lookout for more cool Teslas and cool Model X's. And for any other Tesla owners, we put out a video on what happens if your Model X goes dead and how you can actually boost it, believe it or not. So, hope you guys have enjoyed this very quick, short video walk around on this Model X. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do more videos with it. I was excited to drive the performance motor one because these things are absolutely insane, but couldn't make it happen this time. But in the future, for sure. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.